Hi, welcome to one more video in the series of SnapLogic videos. So today I'm going to show you how to find documents in MongoDB using SnapLogic. Okay, so let's move into the SnapLogic panel. Okay, so we have the SnapLogic stuff and there is a snap called as MongoDB find. So we can use this to find any kind of document. So if you really look at what is the information it is asked for. So let's first understand the account, because I already showed in my last video how to create an account. So I'll just show you some of the key capabilities in this account. So you will be providing the name, the MongoDB name. Here I'm using Cosmos MongoDB. Then the port number, okay, database name, all the username, password, okay, the authentication type, encryption. I selected TLS SSL, okay, and then if you have SSL certificates, you can actually provide that. Then the connection timeout, okay. One of the key thing to remember here is you can also, okay, provide your own MongoDB jars. So if you feel okay, the out of box stuff is not working and you really have a older version of MongoDB, so you can pick up the jar file, okay, and then upload it, okay, into SnapLogic. So it will use that MongoDB jar that I want to highlight today. Okay. So now we have this. Now if I really come here, what is the information you need? So you need the database name, and you can find it actually if you just click this bubble, it will load all the databases that is available in your MongoDB. Okay, and it will list it here. Okay, so right now I already loaded test, so you can see test came in here. Okay, so it is already available. And then similarly for collection, if you click it, it will show all the collections. Now I have only one collection, so it will show only that collection name. Okay, it just takes some time to show that. Okay, and you can click it and select it. Now comes the query condition. So you can choose, like you can provide, you can use the standard MongoDB query language here, and you can specify the query. So here I'm actually specifying an attribute called as call type, and I want to grab all the documents that has this attribute with the value in bound. Okay, and if you want to use regular expressions, or if you have a number where you really want to use a number comparison, so you can use LTE less than or equal to, or greater or equal to, so those kind of things using quantity. Okay, and then so using primarily like the expression directly here. Okay, and if you want to pass this query or any part of this query in a parameter or in a variable, you can use an expression language. Just click this, okay, and then you can convert this to an expression language and start using it. Okay, so now I'm just giving the query directly, so I will actually like save this. So now this pipeline is getting executed. Okay, so you can see the validation is going on. That means it is trying to find all the documents that belongs here. So let's see what documents it comes up. Okay, now we can see like this table, right, which is actually grabbing 3 documents from the list. It is already there, and it basically shows these 3 documents. Okay, and where this 3 document, where we can see the call type as inbound. Now we can actually check the same whether this is right or whether am I missing anything. You can just go back to the Cosmos DB. Okay, I can give the same query here, so I can edit the filter. Okay, we'll go into the Data Explorer view, edit the filter. Okay, and just say, okay, just edit filter, and we'll just going to use call type, and we will use inbound. Okay, and then apply the filter. Okay, it's now going to actually search for all the documents, and you can see exactly 3 documents. The same 3 documents what we have seen there is getting displayed here. Okay, similar object IDs that you would be able to see. Okay, so that's how we are able to fetch the documents or find the documents that we need quickly just with one snap. That's the power of no code platform. You really don't need to write any line of code. Grab this, and then you can link it with what processing you want to do. Okay, so you can actually change the input view here. Okay, go, and you can add an input view, save it, so it will start accepting inputs. Okay, and then it can process that input, and then whenever it is an open link, it's going to respond with the output that is coming along, or you can put a file writer and write it. Okay, and we will see more full-fledged pipeline in the coming series of video. I want to quickly show how you can use the MongoDB find here. Thank you.